In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make a button go darker when you hover over it in Wix. Now, if you take a look at my website right here, you will see that I have this order online button. And if I hover over it, you can see that it goes from a bright red to dark red. So in order to change the color and make it go darker, doesn't matter if it's red, by the way, it could be pink, could be anything, head over to your Wix editor, and then I want you to find the button that you want to make go darker. In my case, it's going to be this button right here. So I'm going to click on it to highlight it. And then either below or above the button, as is in my case, you're going to get a bunch of different options. I want you to click on this pencil button right here, which says design. And then I want you to click on customize design right here. Now, if you pay attention to these two tabs, you have regular and hover. The regular color is going to be the color of the button as it is if you're just looking at it, and the hover is going to be when it's on hover. Now, since you want to change the color on hover, click on hover right here, and then click on fill color and opacity, and then from here you can change the color to whatever you want. Like I said, it could be absolutely any color that you want. I'm going to make mine black in this case. Then once you're happy with the changes, click on X to save it. X again, and let's go ahead and preview the website and see if the changes have taken place. Now let's hover over the button, and as you can see, it goes darker. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make a button go darker on hover in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.